Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Just drawing this cute little kitten. The ears are a lot farther down, it seems, on kittens than they are on full-grown cats. Just they grow into the shape of their head, I guess. So I do have it at 4 times the speed here, and I'm just getting the general shapes down. Just mapping out kitty. I want to really capture that kitten look. That tiny kitten look. And I just love this pose. I'll get some lines in there for the eyes, so I can place the eyes in the right place. And that cute little nose. Slow down a bit, tighten up. Get those eyes so I like them. I'm really darkening up the lines that I like and letting the extra lines kind of just fade into background tone. Kitten ears also look a lot thicker. Bring this kitty to life with some eyes. Light up that face a little. I wasn't real happy with the way the mouth turned out, and you'll see me change it in a bit. Just a suggestion of toe lines. Not worrying about making them look exactly like the photograph. Tabby stripes. Feel like I got the face a little bit too long. I could have had the nose up a little higher, I think. And I do kind of fix that up here in a bit. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. Tell me about yourself or your cat. I've sped it up now to 8 times the speed. We'll get this drawing done. And you can't see really the behind of the cat at all in this photo, but I kind of felt like I wanted to just make a suggestion of it back there. We'll get to that in a few moments here. Here's where I fix up the mouth a little. I like the mouth much better after I do this. Don't hesitate to use your eraser. You might end up with some extra lines, but you know, you just erase them the best you can and they fade into background tone. And you carry your learning forward to your next drawing. Some wiggle lines. And whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today. And we'll see you next time.